DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners, got advanced features for professional traders. So check her out, DDAmanda.com. Okay, time for tuning. I got this app that counts frequencies. So let's find out where we're at here. 587. 580? No. 580. 580.7. And we need to get to 587. So we're going to take some off of here at the bottom and try to get the frequency higher. So the shorter it is, the higher the frequency. The longer it is, the lower the frequency. Alright. So we're at 580, we need to get to 587. So let's take this off. And I got a grinder here. I'm going to start grinding some off of this. It's going to get noisy, so maybe I'll shut the sound off or down. Anyway, it's going to be grinding. And I guess I'm not going to film that because it's just too noisy. Let's see what we got now. I ground some off of it. $582. 582.6. 582.6. So we're getting there. We're gonna grind some more until we get to 587. There's some thumbnails. Okay, let's see what we got now. $583. 4 more frequencies to go. Gotta grind some more. Yeah, I'm getting close. Up to 586. 586.3 something.
Is that 594? 586.2. $586.3. It's all over the map, but you gotta listen to the main one. Maybe I should call it good. Just take off a little bit more and that'll be it. Seems really sensitive. Maybe I should try a different app, see what the different app says. I got some sandpaper. I'm cleaning it up. Cleaning up the inside. I got one of these too. You know, deburr. See what we got now. $586.7. A little bit more. I wonder if once I clean it up it'll be different. Let's do that. Let's get it cleaned up and see what happens. Okay, I'm using my favorite, muriatic acid. It's some old acid, but look at it go, man. It really takes care of it, doesn't it? I should be using gloves probably. OSHA's freaking out right now. But they can freak out all they want. Muriatic isn't that crazy. It's certainly taking care of this. Look at that. Let's just go into town, baby. So a good way to clean copper, muriatic acid. Get it at any pool supply store. And take this out. In the pool section. And you know, I should make a pipe that I can just dip this in and let it sit in there for a while. So we got some paint or something there. I don't know what that is. Maybe some kind of coating, covering, I don't know. Maybe I should chuck it in the lathe and sand it if I could figure out some way. I don't know if my lathe is wide enough though. Maybe I will get some gloves. Well, we'll see if this makes any difference on the frequency. Probably use some fresh muriatic acid too. It's used up pretty quick. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this off. You gotta use fresh all the time. Probably just some real fine sandpaper. Yeah, see how it's got to be fresh. Get some more paper towels. Well, I'm gonna keep going on this, try to figure this out. Okay, I got it cleaned up pretty good, like 80% of it. So let's see what the frequency is now. 586.5. So that didn't make much difference. So we're going to grind a little bit more off. Get it to 587. I'll be real careful now not to take off too much, right? Now this is supposed to be a D5, so maybe some of you musicians can chime in here and tell me if this is a D. $586.9. A little bit more. We're going for 587.3. Well, it's not going to take much. I don't know if I'm still recording or not. I might as well record. Alright, we're going for 587.3. I don't know if I can get right on it or not. I can come close. I'm probably over 587 now. Let's see what we got. Holy shit, 587.3. Sounding weird. 586.3. What is 587.3 for a second there? You notice how it's wobbling? $587.4. I'm going to try a different app, I think. Looks at 586.4, 587.3. 586.5. 587.34. I think we're going to leave it. I think that's a D. Is that a D, guys? Is it a D? Well, the first tube is tuned as good as I can get it. Oh, if I put it right below it, it gets a better reading. Alright, on to the next tube. We'll fine tune this later probably. Let's take a thumbnail.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. If you want to make money trading stocks, you need a tool that works. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener, and she will find these winning stocks. DDAmanda was written by stock traders, and we wrote a very, very powerful scanner. Our scanner uses both AI and user input to find and research these stocks. And the software is really easy to use. And the scanner has preset values, so getting started is a breeze, guys. Our mission is clear. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. And after you sign up, we're not going to leave you hanging. We have real-time support. Plus you get an hour of free one-on-one training. And if she doesn't make you happy within 30 days, we'll give you an instant 100% refund, so you've got nothing to lose.